If you have not yet heard of this company called pythonsignals.com, then you need to go immediately and have a look at this link in this video below and sign up and get involved. Let me explain to you what we have done. We have called every single high point and every single low point right through 2018. And let's come right down here to the bottom here at 15 December 2018, where we told our subscribers that this is the bottom and risk-adverse investors can now enter the market. As far as I know, we are the only people in the world that have called that low right there on 15 December 2018. Look what happened here. From that point onwards, the market went straight up to that high point there. And just a few days ago, we called the high for Bitcoin there again, and we said that the market was going to drop, and we recommended that our subscribers take action. What is going to happen directly after this? See this question mark here? If you want to know what is going to happen there, get back to the person that have sent you this video and get into Python Signals. Do not wait. Let me give you an indication of what happened here on 16 December 2018. Look at that top there. The market went and dropped 69%. If you had 10 Bitcoin right there at the top and you took our recommendation and you sold and you used that same amount of money to come right down here at the bottom, you would have increased your Bitcoin to 33 Bitcoin. We called every single high and every single low right down to 15 December 2018. Quite frankly, that is how we made 518% gains in 2018. Nobody in the world that I know of have beaten that record. If you want to get involved in Python Signals by simply referring people to use our reports and our documentation, get involved in Python Signals today. As of today, we're a 1-year-old company growing extremely fast. We have now paid out in excess of $1.7 million in Bitcoin commissions. Yes, you get paid in cryptocurrencies just by referring people to use our reports in pythonsignals.com. Get back to the person who have sent you this video. We look forward seeing you on the other side. This is Marius Landman. Thank you.